Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can take backup of your website, WordPress website by yourself. See, this is my website, techanswer.com. Okay, techanswer.com. And when I install new plugins or when I do something drastically changes on this website editing, I prefer to take backup because if something goes wrong, I can go to that point or restore to that point without any issues. So it is better for you to take these backups at regular intervals so that if there is anything goes wrong in the future, this will be helpful. Okay, for to do this yourself, click on the plugins on the WordPress dashboard. This is on the WordPress dashboard. We need to install an app called add new plugin. You need to search as Updraft Plus. Okay, in the search bar you can search as Updraft Plus. Okay, this is a backup and restore plugin, and I really like this plugin. See here, this is already installed on my WordPress site. Once you click on install and activate, when you click on this settings, what you need to do, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll just open in my install plugins. Okay, click on the install plugins. So this will be available under install plugins. See here, install plugins. Then you need to click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, there is options here, backup. Now you need to click on this backup and you need to check this. So if you check this option, you can delete the previous files. Only allow this backup to be deleted manually. For example, when you backup, these backup files will be stored in this website space only, means in the hosting space only. My hosting space is on GoDaddy, so this particular backup what I take now will be available as a backup storage in this GoDaddy space, so I can manually delete that. Okay, what I can do is I can click on backup now. So on this particular date, a backup will be available. See here, you can click on the show log here. So this is all the backing up process. You can scroll to the bottom to check the details, and these are all the backups of my previous backups. The one which successfully, okay, the backup has finished successfully. Okay, September 1. See, this is the latest backup. For example, if something goes wrong, for example, after a week, I installed any plugin or I updated my WordPress or I did some editing on my WordPress website on this tech concept. If something goes wrong, I'll directly visit this plugins and this Updraft plugin and I'll click on restore here. Click on restore and I'll select all the available plugins, themes, uploads, others and database, and I'll click on next so that it will restore to this point. So likewise you can manually backup and manually restore. Anyways, your backup and restores will be available in the hosting provider, but without contacting them you can actually backup and restore by yourself. And if you like this video tutorial, if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like for me so that it will be helpful for me and others too. And I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.